Hello guys, today we will be looking at a project of generative AI using DeepSeek where we will be generating social media captions based on the user inputs. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check out our app first. Then we'll go ahead and see um, how we can make this app. So to run this application, you'll be using Streamlit, Groq, LangChain, and Python obviously. So Streamlit run app.py. When you run this command, it's gonna open up your Streamlit application. So those of you don't know, Streamlit is a simple application that allows you to deploy your applications. So here you can see this is my simple UI that I have created. So you can go ahead and write your context vacation in ocean, and then you can choose a mode, let's say professional, right? Once that is done, you can be choosing other modes also. So you can select your platform, let's go LinkedIn. So you can go generate caption. It will be generating your caption. Stepping away from the text into waves, sometimes the moment by the ocean brings the clarity needed to dive back into work with renewed energy. So you can see the behind the scenes also. DeepSeek, whenever it's generating something, it generates something behind the scene and then it gives you the final output. So you can even see the model stats over here: total tokens, completion time, prompt time also. So yeah, this is the UI of this project, and I will be showing you the code now. So when you look at the code, you can see first you'll be importing dot from .env. So env file looks here. So where you will be using the Groq API key. I will go further into that. Um, so yes, then you'll be loading your Groq API key from that particular .env file through this line. You can also put your API key directly here, but it's a good practice to secure your keys in another .env file. Once that is done, you will be using Streamlit documentations, or you can go through Streamlit documentation once to just see how you can create a simple web page. So I have created a simple web page: title, caption. You can see these parts of the code, caption details and all. So you can see all of that here. You can see the sidebar code also over here. You can see this is the sidebar part we can see. And then you can see the user input fields where user can be inputting their user will be inputting their things over here. And then once you go below, you then this is the main function we'll have to be focusing on: def generate prompt. So the prompt, I've already given a pre-message to DeepSeek already. I've already told DeepSeek, him or her, before, that you are an expert in social media marketing. Generate an engaging, catchy caption based on context, mode, platform, hashtags. So this is a system message that you are sending to DeepSeek before any caption generation happens from the user. So DeepSeek is basically optimized for this particular task only. So once that is done, you can be calling this LLM engine, chat Groq, and then the model selected, API key, and then the temperature. And then once that is done, it will generate your output, and then we'll be seeing them in our results. So here you go. This is basically the code for this particular application. Like I said you before, I'll go ahead and explain you this API key, how you can get this. You'll need to go to Groq. You'll need to create an account over there. It's free. And then you'll need to go to the API key sections. You'll be generating a API key here. I'm just gonna do this. So yeah, so once I do this, I'll get another API key. I'll be copying this key. Remember, once you generate a key, you need to copy and store it somewhere else, because Grok will not allow you to copy it again, I guess. Yeah, so once that is done, I'll go to my .env. I'll delete this. I'll put the new code here. I'll save the file, and then yeah, voila. I guess it's working now. So Yeah, it's still working. So now what we can go ahead and play around with this code. You can like Groq gives you various models to play around with. So you have DeepSeek, Alibaba's Cloud, Gamma, Distill, Meta, Mistral, everything. So let's go ahead and play with this Alibaba's code model. So we can go ahead and add this also to our application. You can in this selected model you can do comma, make sure the name is always same as shown in Groq because otherwise it'll give you errors. So here you can see Quen also I've added. We'll save this code. You can go ahead, look at this. Streamlit has also detected source file has changed, so you can rerun this again. So here you'll be able to see, yeah, Quen's also there. So let's go ahead and generate a caption using Quen. So yeah, Quen was pretty fast, I guess. So you can see tokens also, everything here. So let's go ahead and select DeepSeek and generate. Yeah, it has generated some, it has given us three captions this time. Wow. So yeah, it's working. You can see. So obviously you can use this for various use cases. You can even use it to generate code. Like you can change the generate caption part over here. Sorry, you can change the generate prompt part over here. Instead of expert in social media, you can say expert in coding and all, and you can generate codes. There are endless possibilities you can do from here. So I hope this project is clear to everyone. If there are any issues, do let me know in the comment sections. Uh, so yeah, that was our generative AI project using DeepSeek, Groq, Streamlit, LangChain. Thank you.